The SBI PO 2021 notification has been finally released. So in this video we will be talking about the important dates, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, salary, application fees, cutoff and syllabus. So the online registration have been started from 5th October and it is available up to 25th October. The preliminary exam is scheduled in the month of November or December, and the main exam is scheduled in December 2021, followed by your interview, which will be either only interview or a combination of an interview and a group exercises in the month of February 2022. Talking about the number of vacancies, there are total 2056 vacancy. So in general it is roughly around comes to 810 vacancy. You can check here the age relaxation given by the SBI, right? Moving on to the eligibility criteria. If you are a graduate in any discipline from a recognized university or an equivalent qualification from the central government, then you are eligible. And if you are still in the final year of your graduation, then you can also appear for the exam by just giving a proof that you have passed the examination on or before 31st of December 2021, right? Talking about the exam pattern, your preliminary exam will consist of three sections, namely English language test, quantitative aptitude, and reasoning ability. There will be a number of questions are given 30, 35, 35, which will be total of 100 marks, and your time duration will be of 1 hour. Your main examination will comprises of four sections, namely reasoning, which will have 45 questions, 60 marks, and 60 minutes time. Data analysis and interpretation 35 marks, 35 questions, 60 marks and 45 minutes. Banking awareness 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. English language 35 questions, 40 marks and 40 minutes duration. Your main examination will comprises of total of 200 marks of duration 3 hours. There will be no uh, sectional criteria in your mains and interview, but there will be sectional criteria in your prelims exam, right? So you have to take a note of that. Talking about your salary, which is really good here, the basic pay is of 41,960 with 4 increments will be provided to you, right? And examination fee consists of rupees 750 for general EWS or OBC candidates. If you belong to any other category, then you don't have to pay any fees. The number of chances are provided. If you have appeared in your main examination, that is your mains examination will be counted as a chance. So there are maximum 4 chances for general category, and respectively for other categories are mentioned here, right? So if you have qualified for the mains examination and you sit for the mains examination, that chance will be calculated as your single chance for the exam. Talking about your examination centers they have provided in this notification. Now we will talk about the cutoff. So for SBI PO prelims 2020, you can see the cutoff for general candidate was 58.50 marks out of 100, and for SBI PO mains, for the mains examination, the cutoff for general was 88.93 out of 250 marks, and the final cutoff is given as for general candidate, which was 51.23 marks out of 100. These are normalized marks, right? Talking about the syllabus, I have mentioned in this slide, you can quickly go through it. So for more notification, please subscribe to my channel for daily updates and notifications. Thank you.